sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Subaru Forester. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like all-wheel drive, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.